Have you noticed your beautiful fiddle leaf fig suddenly dropping leaves and looking less healthy every day? Don't panic just yet. While losing leaves can seem like a disaster, it's often your plant's way of signaling that something in its environment needs attention. The good news is that most causes of leaf drop are easy to identify and fix once you know what to look for. Whether it's a watering mistake, poor lighting, dry air, or hidden pests, understanding the problem is the first step toward recovery. In today's video, we'll reveal the 9 most common reasons your fiddle leaf fig is dropping leaves and show you how to restore its lush, tropical beauty. Stay tuned, because the final tip surprises many plant owners. Number 1. Overwatering. Overwatering is one of the leading causes of leaf drop in fiddle leaf figs. These popular houseplants enjoy consistent moisture, but they do not like sitting in waterlogged soil. When roots remain wet for too long, oxygen levels decrease, and root rot can begin to develop. As the roots become damaged, they struggle to absorb water and nutrients, causing leaves to yellow, develop brown spots, and eventually fall off. Many plant owners mistakenly water on a schedule rather than checking soil moisture first. Before watering, insert your finger about 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels moist, wait a few more days. Proper, well-draining soil and careful watering habits can help prevent this common issue. Number 2. Underwatering. Just as too much water can harm your fiddle leaf fig, too little water can also trigger significant leaf drop. When the plant doesn't receive enough moisture, it begins conserving energy by shedding older leaves. You may notice dry soil, drooping foliage, crispy leaf edges, or leaves falling from the lower part of the plant. Underwatering often happens when owners forget regular watering or provide only small amounts of water. A fiddle leaf fig prefers deep watering that reaches the entire root system. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until excess water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then allow the top layer to dry slightly before watering again. Consistency helps maintain healthy foliage and strong growth. Number 3. Sudden temperature changes. Fiddle leaf figs are tropical plants that thrive in stable environmental conditions. Sudden changes in temperature can shock the plant and cause leaves to drop unexpectedly. Cold drafts from windows, air conditioners, open doors, or heating vents can all create stress. Even moving the plant near a frequently open doorway may expose it to temperature fluctuations that affect its health. Ideally, these plants prefer temperatures between 60 degrees and 85 degrees, or 16 degrees C and 29 degrees C. If your fiddle leaf fig is experiencing leaf loss, consider whether it has recently been exposed to cold air or excessive heat. Keeping the plant in a location with consistent temperatures helps reduce stress and encourages healthy, steady growth throughout the year. Number 4. Insufficient light. A lack of adequate light is another common reason fiddle leaf figs lose leaves. These plants naturally grow beneath bright tropical skies and need plenty of indirect sunlight to thrive indoors. When light levels are too low, the plant cannot produce enough energy through photosynthesis. As a survival response, it may drop older leaves to conserve resources. Lower leaves are often the first to fall when lighting conditions are poor. If your plant is located far from a window or in a dark corner, consider moving it closer to a bright source of natural light. South-facing or east-facing windows are often ideal. Supplemental grow lights can also provide additional support in homes with limited sunlight. Number 5. Relocation stress. Fiddle leaf figs are known for being sensitive to environmental changes. If you recently moved your plant from a nursery, changed rooms, or rearranged your furniture, the plant may react by dropping leaves. This condition is commonly called relocation stress. A new location often means different light levels, temperatures, humidity, and airflow, all of which can affect the plant. While this reaction can be alarming, it is usually temporary. The best solution is patience. Avoid moving the plant repeatedly and allow it time to adapt to its surroundings. Maintain a consistent care routine with proper watering and lighting. Within a few weeks, most healthy fiddle leaf figs adjust successfully and begin producing new growth again. Number 6. Low humidity. Low humidity can significantly impact the health of a fiddle leaf fig, especially indoors, where air tends to be much drier than in its native tropical environment. When humidity levels drop too low, leaves may develop brown edges, become brittle, and eventually fall off. This issue is especially common during winter months when heating systems reduce moisture in the air. Fiddle leaf figs generally prefer humidity levels between 40 and 60%. To increase humidity, consider using a humidifier near the plant or placing it on a pebble tray filled with water. Grouping several houseplants together can also create a more humid microclimate. Maintaining proper humidity supports healthier foliage and reduces stress-related leaf loss. Number 7. Root-bound conditions. As your fiddle leaf fig grows larger, its roots may eventually outgrow the pot. When roots become tightly packed with little room to expand, the plant can become root-bound. This condition limits the root's ability to absorb water and nutrients effectively. Symptoms often include slow growth, frequent wilting, soil drying out too quickly, and dropping leaves. To check for root binding, gently remove the plant from its container and inspect the root system. If roots are circling around the pot or forming a dense mass, it may be time to repot. Choose a container that is only slightly larger than the current one. Fresh potting soil and additional space encourage healthier root development and growth. Number 8. Pest infestation. Tiny pests can cause surprisingly large problems for a fiddle leaf fig. Common offenders include spider mites, mealybugs, aphids, and scale insects. These pests feed on the plant's sap, weakening its overall health and causing leaves to discolor, curl, or fall off. Because many pests are small and difficult to see, regular inspection is important. Look carefully at the undersides of leaves and along stems for signs of webs, sticky residue, or tiny insects. If pests are detected, isolate the plant to prevent spreading. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth and apply insecticidal soap or neem oil as directed. Prompt treatment can stop infestations before they cause serious damage to your plant. Number 9. Nutrient deficiency. Fiddle leaf figs require essential nutrients to maintain healthy leaves and strong growth. If the soil lacks important elements such as nitrogen, potassium, or phosphorus, the plant may struggle to support its foliage. Nutrient deficiencies often appear as pale leaves, slow growth, weak stems, and increased leaf drop. Over time, nutrients in potting soil become depleted, especially in plants that have not been repotted recently. During the active growing season, applying a balanced houseplant fertilizer can help replenish these nutrients. Always follow the recommended dosage because excessive fertilizer can burn roots and create additional stress. A healthy feeding routine provides the energy your fiddle leaf fig needs to grow vibrant, lush, and beautiful leaves. Now that you know the 9 most common reasons your fiddle leaf fig is dropping leaves, you can take action before the problem becomes severe. Remember that these plants communicate through their leaves, and paying attention to those signals can help you identify issues early. Whether the cause is underwatering, poor lighting, low humidity, pests, or environmental stress, small adjustments can make a big difference. Consistent care is the key to helping your fiddle leaf fig recover and thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more plant care tips. Thanks for watching, and may your fiddle leaf fig grow healthier and greener every day.